of a two-part video series on the Bohemian Sunset project. I will link the video up above for part 1 where you can see how I painted this piece. This video is for the hardware and the drawers.
But I'm still burning.
You can watch video 1 where I tell you how I got this piece. So this piece came to me with the drawers already stripped of paint, and really all I needed to do was give them a sanding to clean them up and get them ready for some raised stenciling.
When I begin to get myself together again, you are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking...
I chose the Nira inlay stencil from Cutting Edge Stencils because, quite frankly, I hadn't used it before and I thought it would be perfect on this project. If you're new to stenciling, I do recommend either using a stencil adhesive or taping your stencil down to hold it in place.
Sorry you have changed now, but it's the same old story. Our love just went cold.
One of my absolute favorite techniques to do is to do a raised stencil on bare wood and then stain. I use a product called Wood Icing. Now, unfortunately, the owners of Wood Icing have retired, so Wood Icing is not available anymore. I have very limited stock available on my website, so if this is something that you want to try, click that link below and that will take you to my website where you can maybe snag some Wood Icing. No promises.
As with every other project that I do, I am never worried about perfection. I want this to look like it is hand carved, and so I'm really not worried about getting things perfect.
Have to get over you again.
I let my wood icing dry and set up overnight, and then take a 220 grit sandpaper to sand it smooth.
The same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together.
The process that I'm using for raised stenciling using the wood icing is going to be the same process that you can use with other mediums to do raised stenciling. What I love about the wood icing is that I can stain over it and it gives me the look of carved wood. I have yet to find a product that will do exactly what wood icing does, but I'm working on an alternative.
Have to get over you again.
I chose good old-fashioned Minwax oil-based wood stain, but you can use water-based stains as well. I let the stain dry about 24 hours and then used DIY dark wax because I wanted this rich, warm, soft finish.
To your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel.
DIY paint is great on metal, so I gave my hardware a quick coat of kissing booth.
Maybe we got too high, but I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears in the
The shipwrecked wax and the copper patina are made to go together. They create a beautiful aged copper patina look.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell for notifications. Turn those on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
as we fade into gray.
And don't forget to go and watch part 1 so you can see the rest of the project.
The way you used to feel.